This is Dabu7 with an earthquake update. For those in Oklahoma around Tulsa, you may have felt this 4.2 that just struck the region. You can see here on the graph how it registered. And we'll take a look here real quick at the earthquake map. You can see right there in Oklahoma, this was a very shallow quake. It comes in at a 4.2. And, I remember reporting on the very first 4-pointer that hit in this region. They were like, okay, now we're starting to talk record quakes. Is this going to become the norm? Getting up toward magnitude 5 type quakes. And when you start seeing this happening more and more and more, you have to start asking questions. This one, very shallow, 5.7 kilometers. And yes, this is in the heart of fracking country, where we have seen a lot of odd earthquakes and earthquake swarms pop up all across the region, and many times right there at the pads, right where they're doing the fracking, right in that region. Now it looks like this struck here between two ponds, two different areas of water here, and it doesn't look like there's any immediate working going on, or any working in this immediate area, should I say, in terms of fracking or a big pad. Now, this is the closest thing I can find to it. Maybe a home. And what I do know is that these quakes seem to be getting stronger and stronger throughout time in this area. But I wanted to make note of this. As far as the rest of the United States, things are fairly quiet right now, especially across the New Madrid, the East Coast, Gulf of Mexico. The islands, pretty darn quiet as well. And when this happens, I start to keep a close eye on this region, because it likes to swarm a lot, just like Southern California. So when it goes quiet, oftentimes we've seen larger quakes pop off. Haiti, Cuba, Jamaica, those areas. And inside the waterway here. Same thing with down here along this stretch. When we don't see a lot of activity, sometimes it could lead to built-up energy and a huge one popping. That goes for all these pinch points. But nothing significant at the moment. This looks to be the most recent. Wanted to make note of it. If we see any other quake activity, I will continue to update. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. This has been Dabu7. Peace.